It's Mack here right now. We in my cousin hallway. My little cousin takes you on, say what up.
What up? What up?
Tell him your Instagram, your Snapchat, and all that, Joe. You know you got
my phone with my Snapchat. Prince Jordan Gibbs 13. Just search it up.
Right, Prince Jordan Gibbs 13. He got a prank he want to do on his mama and his daddy. Tell him what the prank is.
I'm about to act like I rage quit it and I threw the controller at the TV while I'm playing the PS4. It's gonna go down.
He finna get killed. Y'all stay tuned in for this prank. We finna see if we can get it done. So y'all tune in for this prank.
This ain't turning me on, girl.
I like to get the place started. Oh my God, that's still killing me, dang.
Turn the video, shit.
I should have asked Auntie to hit it one time for me before we left, so I could have talked to you. She did when she was talking to me.
Hey, Sean done broke y'all TV. Sean done broke y'all TV. Huh? Look at y'all screen. She talking about what? Look at y'all screen. What you mean they kept killing you?
Oh, GTO.
What they got to do with that?
So
What you do to the screen? They kept killing you. Take time.
What you do? What you do?
You better be pranking.
You did what?
Nah, he pranking.
You did what?
what, gang?
They kept killing me.
You ain't that calm. You ain't that calm.
Boy, you would have been crying.
Cause you know your ass would be grass.
You should have the camera out. It's too late. See, ain't no prank.
That's why he's looking. I told you, he got it right there. He got it covered up.
You know your ass is grass, boy. You better talk to me. You supposed to sold it more than that, man. Hey, I told him. Listen. I told him. T.I. the worst time you see him say, I'm trying to tell you how to set the camera up.
No. He too cold.
That's what you should do with it.
He too cold.
I know everybody knows that.
My blood pressure rose.
Oh my God.
T.I., you ain't sell the prank all the way, man. He ain't sell the prank good enough, man. He was supposed to do it.
And then when Lunny did that, that's why I'm like, wait.
You should have said.
This is serious.
You should have made some type of
Say something, you supposed to make a noise first, and then when they came on, you be like,
I'm like,
They didn't have a noise on there.
I ain't hear no noise.
They didn't
hey, think on the tip. You too calm. DJ, you too calm. Because you know I'm finna kick you.
too bad.
Let's stop that prank, y'all. But we always got up there.
Hey, I said T.I.
What is good to all the family members? We back for another video. Today, I'm finna try to get a prank off. Anybody that know Lonnie, first off, that know me, know I'm a jokester, you feel me? That's just what I do. But today, I'm finna try to prank Lonnie. She's scared of snakes. So right now, I'm finna jump in the car, run up to PetSmart, and if I can't get a rubber snake or a toy snake, I'm gonna just have to cop a real one. So y'all gotta stay tuned for the reaction, man. Y'all get this video to 10 likes. Y'all make sure y'all like, y'all comment, y'all subscribe. Get in the comments, let me know what y'all wanna see, how y'all enjoying the videos, what we could do better. I always wanna interact with y'all, man, so y'all stay tuned. This should be a good one. Alright, y'all, so we about to walk in the store right now. I'm gonna go in here and see if I can get somebody to help me get this snake. Oh man, this camera getting dark. Let me see. I need to see if I can find a snake. See, I know they got all this stuff in here. Lizards and all that. But I need to find a snake though. So I'm finna see. So I need to find somebody to help me. Dude, go ahead. Excuse me, sir. I got a quick question. Do y'all got like rubber snakes?
Like fake?
Yeah.
For dogs or?
Just in general?
No, not really. We had one, it was a big one, but not anymore.
Ah.
We held treats in it, so, but we don't have anything like that. The only thing I might have is going to be something more like this.
I need.
Not rubber, but might have.
I know I need something that look realistic because I'm trying to. My girl.
We don't have anything quite like that, unfortunately.
Dang. So I had to get a real one. Dang.
And or like find like a toy store, like a Target or a Walmart. They're more than likely to have those toy snakes that look real.
You think?
Yeah. Because the plastic ones like that, that's more like the toy, not so much.
Yeah, like a
the
rubber one or a plastic.
Yep. You're gonna more likely find that at like I said, either a pet store, not a pet store, but Walmart, Target. Trying to think of some of like dollar stores maybe even.
Hey, I might have to just grab a real. Y'all got something in here right now?
Do you have a habitat? Because the other pets, you have to have a habitat and everything in order to do it. If you're just going to be doing it for something like that, I won't be able to sell you one.
Okay.
It's going to be a pet that you're going to have a habitat and everything for.
Yeah.
I can.
So you got to get the habitat before you buy it.
Yes.
So PetSmart didn't hide no rubber snakes, no fake snakes. They had a little cloth one, but that ain't gonna do the trick. So he say he think I can go to Target or Walmart. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time to make it there before they wake up. I'm gonna try to go to one of these stores and see if I can get it. Y'all stay tuned, man. Yeah, see, I couldn't get no snake up in there, man, because he told me I had to have a habitat, even if I wanted to get a real one. He told me I needed a habitat, and them joints was like $80 a piece. I ain't finna just buy one for no 80 pop. Just do no prank, it's over with. And I gotta do a whole crib for him and everything. I ain't got no time for that. I was gonna bring him back. So I'm finna slide to these other two stores, man. Hopefully I can get one, man, because I need to get this joint off. I owe Lonnie some. I owe her a decent little prank, so hopefully we can find something, man. Y'all get a video a like, so that's some luck, man. Thumbs up this joint. Like I said, share this joint, comment. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all tell a friend to subscribe, man. Come on, man. It's a movement, man. We trying to do something big, man. Chicago YouTuber. I ain't living there right now, but I'm still from the crib, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to put on for us, man. So y'all make sure y'all be liking this joint up, sharing this joint. Tell a friend to subscribe, man. We some good people. We just trying to do our thing out here, so y'all stay tuned in. Yeah. So today's mission was a fail, unsuccessful. Couldn't find a snake. I ain't got time, brother. Cause the last place I can go was Walmart, but I ain't got time, man. Cause we gotta go up to the Kai school. They having some type of end of the year party for the kids. So we about to take Kai up there. I was trying to get the snake before they woke up from their nap. So we see y'all back once the party finna start. I done chopped my head off. We'll see y'all back once the party finna start. Finna go back to the house and pick them up. Wish I could've got that snake though, man. Cause I know that reaction was gonna be hilarious. But it's all good. We'll probably order one or something and just hope she don't be able to be the one to get it to the mailbox. So y'all stay tuned for the rest of the video, man, and hopefully we can find a snake another day.